Hello and welcome to Web Math Academy. Today we're going to do a quick tutorial on fractions and the use of your TI-Nspire graphics calculator. On the right side here, I have a listing of all the possible permutations you could use with fractions: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, squaring, and square root. And if you follow all of the key presses here directly as I have them listed here, you will get the final answer. Let's try square root of 1/4. We start with saying control x squared. So control x squared. That gives us the square root. And then to get the fraction, control divide. That gets you the fraction dialog. Then 1 tab 4 tab enter. And we get the answer of 1/2, just like we have at the table over here. If you follow all of the keystrokes here as I have listed, you'll be able to do any operation involving fractions in your TI-Nspire calculator. One other thing I want to show you, we use control and the divide key to get the fraction dialog. You can also do the same thing by hitting this key right here and then hit enter. So whichever one you find is easiest for you to use. We hope you found this tutorial on fractions easy to use and informative. We'll be coming up next with compound fractions in next week's video. Thanks.